Hey everyone, if you are thinking about starting web development in 2025, stop wasting time on endless tutorials and confusing advices. I am here to show you a smarter way and easier way to learn web development without getting overwhelmed. If you follow what I am about to share, it will be easier for you to get started and actually build real projects. Let's dive into it. First thing is you don't need to watch hours and lengthy tutorials to learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Seriously, pick a simple, clear and quick introduction to these three. Understand what they do and how they connect to each other and just get familiar with basic concepts. You don't need to know every CSS animation or every JavaScript error method right now. Focus on the essential, how to create elements, style them and make them interactive. That's enough to start. Here's a mistake most beginners make. They build projects along with the tutorials. They watch the tutorials and parallelly they build the project. That won't help you much. Instead of it, once you learn the basics, try to build simple projects on your own. Things like a simple form with a submit button, a basic navigation bar, or a landing page with images and text. And if you get stuck, no worries. AI tools like ChatGPT, Cloud AI, and Copilot are here to help you out. You don't need to spend hours for searching for solutions or resolving errors anymore. Just ask your AI assistant, get your doubts clearly and instantly, and move on. And analyze the error and what the cause of the error, how to resolve these errors, what ChatGPT recommends and advises. All these things together. Once you are comfortable with the basics, it's time to go deeper. I recommend you to don't start with Django, Flask or any other backends initially. Not because they are bad, but because JavaScript is the most browser friendly language and learning one language for the both front end and back end makes your journey smoother. That's why you should learn main stack or min stack. In main stack we will learn MongoDB, Express, React and Node.js. In main stack the difference is the Angular. MongoDB, Express, Angular, Node.js. And trust me, React is the thing of front end and it is the king of front end frameworks right now. Master it. It's in huge demand and incredibly powerful. After that, pick a database. We have two main options like MongoDB for NoSQL, SQL for like SQL database like MySQL or PostgreSQL for structured data. After learning the basic levels, just to do the to-do list to how to do the crude elements or crude operations in the full stack methods, and then build something like a simple social media feed, an event booking app or a quiz or game app or event manager app or blog platforms. The idea is to connect everything you have learned, front end, back end and database, in one real project. That's how you will actually level up. And here's something exciting. On this very channel we have created a dedicated playlist for web development. It's neatly organized into 7 easy to follow modules, covering everything you need to know from HTML basics and CSS JavaScript. So if you are serious about starting 2025, make sure to check out the playlist. I will drop the link in description and comment section below. And more bites of knowledge on your way. Stay tuned.